And good morning, folks. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. How can I start the morning? Well, let's do mail call. And we got mail call from Dominic Machini. And we got a wonderful sticker. Dominic does do giveaways and stuff like that, and wonderful prizes and stuff. Hope I get the solar kit, but I doubt it. But that's a sticker. And we'll put that in the sticker pouch. Like I said, folks, things have been rapidly changed. If you're in preparedness, you should be awoke. We're in the second stage of SHTF. You have to be careful. You have to really go after the government because the government making serious mistakes. This will affect everybody in 19 years, 2040. That means you die. Okay, I'm doing two series, economic warfare, and you die. That's the second series. I won't use the middle finger. You die. Okay. I'm trying to tell everybody go check out Steve of Corsairs Trainer. He did a wonderful video today, so please check him out for two reasons. Yes, I know it's long, and yes, I know it's boring, but he points out the three things that's going to cause you die in 2040. And please pay attention, watch it twice. That's today's Corsair Trainers video. Please watch it. Thank you very much. Now, the other mail call. Get out my old trusty old Canalys. Okay. And this is from Garden State Gardener. All right. Please check out Joe's channel, Garden State Gardener. And if you like, please send him some donations. He's hardworking. Him and Reed, always every Sunday, do this drawing. Please help him out. Send some cash. You could do either PayPal, Venmo, all that. Oh, God, sorry. Uncle Alan's a little bit tired because I'm always busy. Hopefully, I'll be well enough to do tonight's live stream with whatchamacallit, Gray Man Prepping with Gil of Gray Man Prepping. Uncle Alan's been feeling poorly lately, and let me show you what I won. I love these. Do you know I get $2 for a large tomato over here? These are going to my friend who's a truck farmer. I pay $700 a year. Already I paid it off because we plant English Sierra strawberries, which produces strawberries the size of a golf ball. Had an enjoyable breakfast of strawberries and cream and oatmeal. Okay? This is bigger than a beefsteak. And it has to be vine ripened. So I get $2 a tomato. Okay, instead of the ugly, because people really, I think I might raise it to $4, really love these tomatoes from Baker Creek Seeds. Okay, these are delicate from seedling to transplant stage, so you have to baby them. Okay, once they get over 12 inches, then it's not a problem. So I'll be making transplant, bring it over to my friend who's going to put it in his truck farm. I told him, grow me a certain amount of tomatoes, sell the rest, put it into my what I have to pay you for that year. So far, my strawberries already paid for the year, but it'll do for next year. Okay? Think about it, folks. A lot of people don't think 2 steps ahead. Another thing is I got these wonderful seeds, also from Jewel of Garden State Gardeners. And if you look at that, that's the cute bunny hop seeds. Okay, these are wonderful chilies. I like to pickle these. And this one, I split them, take out the seeds, and I dry them. You have to take out the seeds, folks. Do not eat these, the ink spots with the seeds. You're going to find out. Okay, flames coming out the other end. And that's bunny hop seed. Now you see how nicely they designed this? You could do that on your laptop and printer. See that, how it's constructed? Take a photo, do all that. Real easy. Put it in a plastic bag, put your seed amount, and then you could sell it to other people or trade it to other people, and people will know your brand. I told this wide family forum, Courtney and Dustin. End of the season, you have a bunch of seeds, trade them and sell them in little packs, but make sure you put your name, Wide Family Farms, on it. It's like I have to teach people how to do business, folks. Uncle Alan's getting old and sick. Now I'm sending a package to Allie Carroll. I have to drive to Pixley. Dear Lord, I'm living in a time where I have to drive to Pixley, go past Hootersville or Farmingville, and go to the post office because my post office is closed because some kind of weird disease. And it isn't Red Dragon. So I have to drive out there. I'm kind of tired and a little sick. Now what we are mailing to her is the Australian or British 3-in-1. Now this wasn't very popular in the Eastern Front or Europe, but it was very popular in the Pacific and Southeast Asia, used by English and British forces. Now, let me show this again. You have a can opener. You have a hole put around your neck so you can carry it. It has a bottle opener, a can opener. See the can opener? It's bigger than a P38, and you get traction because of the spoon handle. This is not a handle. This is a spoon. Okay? But with a bigger handle, it's bigger than P50. See that? Bigger than P50. And you can do it for other things. Another thing you could do with it, a lot of people don't understand, is this has an edge that you could use it on a ferro rod. So you make fires. And I think the Apollo series had one of these on every mission. That's the lunar space program. But nobody ever listens to old Uncle Al. That's fine. A lot of you like, we're out of gas, Uncle Al. So stop stealing my extra gas, stupid nephew and grandnephew. But they don't have gas. We're on the West Coast. We have refineries. We have plenty of gas. You know, Uncle Alan's getting old and Uncle Alan's getting damn tired. Okay? Check out these channels. Urban Grandpa Prepper. Okay? That's Ray's channel. It's not the Russians, Ray. It's a block of criminals from the Eastern Bloc called the Dark Side. Not Russian. Because the Russian gangs are going to go to Ohio and put a couple of into somebody if you keep telling them it's a Russian gang. It isn't. And the Russian has no dealings on this. CIA and FBI confirms it's an Eastern Bloc group. Okay, that's Urban Grandpa Prepper. Okay, folks, do not go on the internet and accuse other criminal organizations what they did. And I think, Ray, if you keep yelling at it's the Russians, you're going to be, what happened to Ray? Yeah, don't do that. Okay, Matt of Second Star Survival. Matt, if you watch my video on the holes, you have to be careful in Texas. I really mean it. You have some things are small. If you get a camera, it has to be an old what's called videotape camera. You semi-shade and put a polarized lens. You semi-shade the light so it's kind of diffused, and you get polarized filter light, and you point it out. you'll see swarms of unknown things. They're doing that in your area in Texas. So I do warn people, those ain't bugs. All right? You do not, these are small ones. Okay? Because they're coming from another dimension. I warn people. These are coming from another dimension. We do not want the feeders to follow them. I don't want people like, huh? That'd be another video. Because I'm kind of tired. And a lot of you people are like, your mouth's open, your fly is open, you have no idea what's going on. So I have to warn you people. Okay, Mondak Living, haven't heard anything from him. WD, Lock and Roll. It's going to be warmer on the Pacific Northwest. Keep an eye on the weather because you might have turbulence. One night be nice, next night it's around 40. So keep an eye. Okay. SD Mountain Man, same thing. Weather patterns are shifting you would not believe. You might get 80-degree weather one day, lightning, thunderstorm, and hail the next day. So keep your eye on the weather. Maccabeus, good job. Off-grid and everyday survival. I hope you got gas because I swear to God, folks, people are not prepared. Okay? Check out Nikki St. Lorraine, help her out. Allie Carroll, she does a fine job. Boone Chow, always good on keto. And Becky Stiles, working hard. And this is part of these ladies right here. This is why I'm doing the economic warfare series. I'm going to teach you how to make money easily, profitable, and not illegal. But unfortunately, people don't understand money. And sorry, this is a long one, but this is important. We have the Vineyard Chicks. We have Citizen Guardian from South Africa. If I do a whole series on South Africa, I'll never be done. This is why Uncle Alan's got to retire from YouTube. Wide Family Farm. I'm getting old, Courtney. I'm getting really old. I'm 62, and my body can't take it. Okay, I heard. This is why I'm leaning towards this side, because the right side, if I go like this, I'll fall off. Earning Hatmaker. Okay, check out her channel. If you have a stink bug, get a pair of forceps and pinch them off the plant and put it in a bottle of alcohol. Do not flick the bug off on the ground. All it does is bring friends and make the damn plant covered in stink bugs. Okay, WD, rock and roll again, because I like them. Be really careful. Okay, Pacific Northwest is acting really crazy, so I warn people in that region, be alert, be on guard, don't trust anybody. And if you young people, we're going to the Washington and Oregon and dance and sing and protest and live there. No. Go to someplace else, have somebody kick you in the nads and the butt and get serious. This is not the time to dance and play unicorn god, okay? It's time to wake up. Okay, Cheryl's frugal. I like Cheryl. Okay, seriously, I wish she did more on preps and stuff. She has a wonderful thing. Cheryl, I hope you have a wood stove. I hope you have a quart of wood. I hope you have a bag of rice or wheat or corn and a bag of beans, because it's going to get hairy, folks. Adds attention to detail. I used to love making models, but I had to quit. Tinkerer's wife, Patty. Again, in the Northwest, please be careful. Courtney's husband. Trust me. Dustin, you have to do more videos with the little chicken. Maybe somebody will make a t-shirt on the little chicken. 1 second. On the little chicken. Okay? And then for the UK folks, Weapon Collectors on Mike. Check out his channel. Prepper Dell. If you want to support Mike, he has everything on it. Mike, if you're smart, you will make go off on it. Take your best YouTube videos, put it on a DVD or memory card or something, and then sell it off from YouTube. Make your own profit. Prepper Dell, Mad Dog Survivals, Andy's channel. Please check out his eBay site. Help out Andy. I'll tell a lot of people there's a lot of things you can do in our industry that's prepping, survival, bushcrafting that nobody ever thinks. Now, JJR Survival, Malcolm's channel on trapping, he has a whole series of trapping books, and he should be working on his MSB Bushcraft and Survival by Malcolm. Okay? You need to work on that because a lot of English people in the UK will be needing this soon. Hint, hint. And then the Prepared Camper with Rue. These are good. He did a wonderful bee trap one. He also makes mead and other things for bushcrafting. Again, another hint, hint, hint to make money. What does England have that nobody else have? Flint. Good English flint. If I lived in England, I'll be putting a chunk of flint and selling it for £1 overseas. Okay? And then we have the Preparedness Veteran in the UK. Please check out his channel. He's like me. Spreadsheet thinking, action reports, after action reports. Okay, that's military training. He uses his brains. Okay? You have to think, folks. And a tip for the UK veteran, talk about resupply. A lot of preppers in the UK forget this. Okay? Resupply. Where are you going to get your supplies? Where are you going to get the water? That one, because for Andy, I had to push it really hard. Because a lot of people think, I'll get it at a tap. I'll use this magic filter, and I'll filter out all the... It tastes like cow pee. And the coffee doesn't hide, or tea doesn't hide the green lumps floating in there. Know your water. Do you have a clean water source? Can you filter it? Can you store it? You don't want to like, oh, another delicious English breakfast tea with green lumps. Okay, Uncle Alan drank enough green and brown chunky water in his lifetime. So I'm sharing this knowledge to you. A lot of people think, I got this filter. I don't have to worry. And then sooner or later, I don't have any water and I can't find it. Duh! You're supposed to have 10 gallons of water per person. Not a liter, gallons. I go by NASA and the Russian space program. Don't care what anybody else says because they don't have knowledge and experience like old Uncle Al. And old Uncle Al is getting bags under his eye. And if you tell on left side, right side, my stroke condition is flaring up. So here's a little hint. This is a long one. Sorry, guys. Doing worse than Steve. It's probably boring you guys, but I have a lot of things I got to say. And a lot of people, they don't understand. That's why I do the comedy bit. I do the thing. I do this under entertainment because a lot of people don't understand. And if you don't understand, you're going to die. That's what I'm doing. You're going to die. Or you're die. Okay? Keep it simple. We're going to do 2 series. We're doing economic warfare and you die. I can't make it any simpler, folks. So you have a nice day.